Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to switch accounts on Discord Mobile. Open the Discord app. Go into your profile. Now click on Log Out. Go into Chrome and open Discord website. Click on the three dots in the top right corner, then take the desktop site option. Now click on Login in the top right. Enter your email and password. Click on the Settings option in the bottom. Click on Manage Accounts. Here you can add another account to your Discord. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.